Ever walked out of the house and wondered why you didn't just float off into space? That's gravity for you, an invisible force keeping you grounded, quite literally. But what if one day, gravity just stopped working? What if we woke up to a world with no gravity? Welcome to our exploration of gravity, what it is, how it works, and what life might look like if it suddenly disappeared. Gravity is the force that attracts two objects toward each other. The larger the objects and the closer they are to each other, the stronger the gravitational pull. On Earth, this force results in an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. In other words, if you drop an object, its speed increases by 9.8 meters per second for each second it falls. This is why we stay grounded and why everything we drop falls to the floor. But this isn't the case everywhere. The gravity on the Moon, for example, is only about 1/6 as powerful as on Earth. Now, let's plunge into a mind-bending thought experiment. What if gravity just disappeared? Well, the world as we know it would immediately start falling apart, literally. Here's how the unraveling might unfold. Initially, everyone and everything not fastened down would start to float. This would include dust, water droplets, loose objects, and of course, us. As we floated around, the planet beneath us would start to change too. Gravity not only pulls objects towards the Earth's center but also holds the Earth itself together. Without it, the Earth would slowly start to lose its spherical shape. The atmosphere, no longer tethered by gravity, would start to escape into space. With the atmosphere gone, our protective shield from solar radiation would be lost, and temperatures would swing wildly between extreme heat and extreme cold. All our water, not held down by gravity, would also start to drift off into space. Our once blue planet would become a dry and barren wasteland. Perhaps the most catastrophic consequence would be the geological chaos. The Earth's crust, freed from the compressive force of gravity, could fracture violently, causing massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Even the Earth's molten core might not be immune. With no gravity to hold it down, the core material could erupt onto the surface, leading to unimaginable destruction. Winds, too, would become wild and unpredictable. The mechanisms driving our weather patterns would be thrown into chaos without gravity, leading to powerful and erratic gusts sweeping across the surface. So, as fun as floating around might initially seem, life without gravity would quickly turn into a nightmarish, dystopian scenario. It's clear that gravity, often overlooked, plays a vital role in keeping our world stable and habitable. This exploration of a world without gravity makes one thing clear. Gravity, an often overlooked force, plays an essential role in our lives. It helps to maintain Earth's atmosphere, drives our weather systems, allows the formation of physical structures from stars to planets, and even shapes the biological processes of life as we know it. So, the next time you drop something on the floor, instead of getting annoyed, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, invisible force that is gravity. We hope you enjoyed this gravity-defying journey into one of the most fundamental forces of our universe. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. Drop us a comment below sharing your thoughts on a world without gravity. We'd love to hear your insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay grounded.